Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the essentials: image size, references, and palette. Open a new layered file and create labeled groups for background, midground, foreground, and accents so you can work non-destructively. Once done, sketch a loose composition over a low-opacity reference layer. Focus on big shapes and visual flow rather than details. Make sure to block in your main color masses now, because those choices guide later contrast and lighting decisions and prevent wasted refinement on weak structure. Now refine forms and start building believable surfaces. Define where light hits and where core shadows live. Paint mid-tone gradients to round shapes and use hard edges only where planes change. Once that structure is clear, layer textures. Apply brushwork, grain, and overlay layers at low opacity to sell material qualities. You should constantly toggle visibility of earlier layers to check silhouette clarity. Make sure to save iterative versions so you can revert if a direction reduces overall readability. Finish by sharpening your focal area, boosting contrast locally, and adding crisp highlights to guide the eye. Once satisfied, flatten only finalized groups. Create export copies at needed sizes and ensure the correct color profile is embedded. Finally, test the image at display size to confirm legibility. If something looks off, one key troubleshooting tip: check your color profile and compression. Convert to the target profile and export with minimal compression, because mismatched profiles or heavy compression often ruin vibrant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.